Hey everyone, got a special here today, and special unboxing. This is the prize that I won from the Mountain Dew Regional Dew competition for designing a can. First we've got this lovely wooden box with the Mountain Dew logo branded into it, and it's got some handles on the sides. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, first we have this note. And then got quite a lot in here. A Mountain Dew branded camera case. Got a t-shirt here with my design on it. A sweatshirt with the same, my personal design on it from the contest. And then this is a Canon camera. And according to the site, I'm also supposed to be getting a finished can with my design on it as well, but that didn't come with this today. But yeah, really excited, and thank you once again, Mountain Dew, for having a really fun contest.